warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today we're gonna do our special video again, podcast especially for English project right now. So we're gonna do it for all of time because there is so many files or something. So today we're gonna talking about
Impact of social media on teenager.
But before that, I will introduce my name. My name is Arya Satya Wibowo. I came from Pamijahan. We are the exchange student from Pamijahan. Alright, you can call me Erwan because I changed my name before. Everybody just keep calling me Arya. Then on here, you guys can call me Erwan. So let's go. That's for me, and to Rabib, you can just go.
Okay, I the same like him. We change student from Pamijahan. Now we in IDN Solo. And before that, let me introduce my full name is Muhammad Rafim Zubi Fawas. Because in here there's some people, many people. The name is Rafif, so that's why I changed my name. You guys can call me Fawas. Now let's start for our podcast. That the title of the podcast is the impact of social media on teenagers.
Alright, we have a few YouTube channel which not YouTube. We have few applications which is YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Let's just start with Instagram. No, with TikTok first. And after I open TikTok and we'll tap out of TikTok over here because of course we have a lot of thing to do. So for the TikTok is not pretty normal for something like this. So TikTok is just like I'm gonna talk about the best stuff, right? And we're gonna talk about the good stuff. So the TikTok is just such weird stuff, like do the trending thing, and it's not really even real, right? It's not even it's dangerous, and also have all the branded stuff on there. Yeah. So by that, I just really hated about it. So I don't even like TikTok. I use TikTok, but I don't like the inside. I normally use TikTok for promotion. My TikTok, you can follow my name. My TikTok name is Arya Pivot, like my YouTube channel. So that is the bad stuff, really bad stuff. So maybe Rafa, you can continue.
Okay, for me, TikTok is there is bad stuff on the YouTube. What the video of kids after that become a weird video. But for me, why TikTok is good because you guys can promotion about your account, like your design or not your animating or like tips and trick for people to follow it. And TikTok there is some like future like some UI that the name is TikTok Shop. In there, you guys can sell your stuff. After that, later some people going to buy it, and you guys can have some money. You sell your stuff. After that, you get some money because some people buying the stuff. And TikTok, there is some like if you have so many follower, like or comment or what? Then I forgot. But you guys can get some price. That like you guys can get free money from the TikTok the application, and you guys can get some like trophy. That's what the name, like a statue made of like TikTok. Okay, now let's next for the next application.
So next application we have WhatsApp. Not WhatsApp. I mean YouTube. So YouTube. It's not pretty bad, and all people normally use it, such as like us, children, and even adult, alright. And by that, they will find a lot of stuff like they found like tutorials, animation, YouTube, and other stuff or other, which is later on will be good for. And there's also the bad stuff, and the bad stuff is about the search system. So anyway, just focus on the bad side. If we search Minecraft or Roblox animation, we found it literally weird. So like example for TikTok, we have a little bit of stuttering or too much acceleration character, like something like that. It's not good for our children. And for YouTube, Minecraft is really just full of the brain rot, which is not good also for our kids later on. It's just pretty hard. And right after that, YouTube have really around a lot. What should I say? Hard to understand the inside. I mean by you can see there is even a normal animation and a bad animation. It's like some kind like porno effect or something, and probably by that it's not good. So probably you can next to the next to Rapid, which is the good side.
For me, YouTube is good. Why? On YouTube, you guys can make some account YouTube, and you guys can publish your video about tutorial or podcast like now, or not tips and trick, or not your holiday
Activity.
Yeah, activity. And in here there is the example like my YouTube channel. In here, you guys can see I made a YouTube channel too for uploading this video and for submitting my SKL, my project on my school. And YouTube, you guys can search. Maybe not very much. There is worst stuff and good stuff. Better you guys search for the good stuff, like tutorial how to make some design on Spline, like 3D design, or not make some animation on Spline, or not other application, or not recommended good application for coding, or designing, or like editing video, like podcast or others. On YouTube, you guys can publish about yourself, like your daily activity, or not your video story time, and some people going to see it. Maybe some people going to give some like. And on YouTube, you guys can get some money by looking at your YouTube channel. If there is so many subscriber, you guys have some money later. But from YouTube, I don't know how, but you need to be how much thousand I forgot, or not 1K subscriber later. You guys can get some money. And on YouTube, you guys can share about your stuff, or not publish good thing, not the bad thing. Okay, now let's start for the next. Is the last of the last.
Instagram.
Instagram.
So right now I am opening Instagram right now to check it out how it's good it is. So for my reels is nothing good like the modern I don't know about modern trends, modern art and other stuff. So later we gonna explain what the good between it. So about the video, especially if you love to use WhatsApp and you open WhatsApp and just check to see a lot of women, sexual women or stuff or something which is not good.
With his boyfriend.
Yeah, with the boyfriend or a man showing off his girlfriend, showing off his how six pack is he, like that. And other stuff and probably like that. Or there is some sad news I see and other stuff. Maybe only that for the bad stuff is really bad for you who post something not good. On here there is that. Alright, or nothing else. Like on Instagram is like nothing alright. Only some stuff is not important, so just the last few minutes we can turn to the Rapid to explain the good stuff.
Okay, maybe on Instagram there is no bad thing, but for me Instagram is very good because you can publish about your posting like vlog. You guys go to another country or not another place. And on Instagram, you guys can like publish some poster of competition for people joining your competition. Like some competition I join on Instagram that is online. See, I join it, but if you win, you guys can get some money. The competition is about Scratch. That we make some game on some website. The name is Scratch, and the title of the game is I'm going to speak bahasa. The title is Jalan-Jalan on Indonesian, and you guys can publish about your activity or not, some good design. Maybe the good one is like look at news, but the good news, not the bad news. Like people, maybe some people is the speaking or not comment is spicy, but yeah, don't hear people comment. Just hear about yourself. And for a teenager, Instagram maybe a little bit good, and for teenager maybe can use it, but better not follow some other people worse posting. And yeah, maybe that's all for us. There's some question or what?
Okay, there's no. Probably we're gonna close it because we already the time we need to go to put back our laptop, especially. And maybe let's close this by saying basmalah. Thank you for watching. And Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.